Hello, hockey card collectors. This is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca. Because of our recent renovations, we are still building our little, how would you say, little YouTube studio, YouTube area. So when we get that finished, you'll see a lot more of it. In the meantime, I'd like to stay with my schedule and make sure I get another one out this week. So this week we're going to break the retail box of the 2020-21 Hockey Extended Series. 8 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. Should get at least one of those tribute cards. Hope everybody has had a good New Year's Eve. So I'm sure you'll be seeing this on New Year's Day. So let's start it off. Okay. I'm going to put this off to the side here. Okay, we got Joachim Nordstrom, Ansi Kopitar, Eric Chernak, Matt Martin, and a Tim Stützle ovation, which is ironic because in my first one of this, I got a Kaprizov ovation. And we got Cal Peterson, Zadorov, and a checklist. Next pack. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. Okay, we got Leon Draisaitl and Reimer and Ian Cole and Corey Schneider and Tim Stützle, Young Guns tribute. Well done, yes, I like that. We're off to a good start here. And we got Dadonov, Ryan O'Reilly, and Taze, Donovan Taze. Okay. Oli Mata, Kyle Turris, Alexander Tessier, and their first young gun is Hayden Verbeek. Pitlick, Bonito, Hornquist, and Kakinen. Yeah, we're still getting set up here, guys, so let's have a little patience. We're still trying to get to 100 subscribers. We've got a couple more over the holidays, which is great. Welcome to the channel. And we got Draisaitl again. Reimer, Ian Cole, Corey Schneider. Oh, wow. Another Young Guns tribute to Bowen Byron. Sweet. Jake Allen, Hischler, and Anesthesia. Okay. Joachim Nordstrom, Kopitar, Chernak, Matt Martin, and Keandre Miller ovation. Sweet. Corey Perry, Giuseppe, and Kyle Clifford. Okay, we got Mark Shapeli, Kiefer Sherwood, and Delzato, Kulikov, Chitrangeri, and Jesse Polgeri, and Sadikas, and Pierre-Luc Dubois base pack. Excuse me. Holtby, Eric Stahl, John Carlson, William Carrier, and another tribute, Alex DeBrinkets. Cool. And we got Dubnik, and we got McDonough, and Chris Letang. Getting a cold. Hope everybody is staying away from this new variant. Just when things were getting back to normal. Holy Mata, Kyle Turris, Alexander Tessier, and Ansi Kopitar Victory Retro. Noah Dobson, Brandon Sutter, Jack Rozlowskik, and Jacob Markstrom. Okay, let's see what we got this time. Colburn, Josh Anderson, Andrew Shaw, and a Reflections. We have Quinn Hughes. Are these numbered? No, I don't think these are numbered. Okay, wow. Verseghi, Slavin, Markstrom, and Schultz. Nordstrom, Kopitar, Cernak, Matt Martin, and a Cal McCarr tribute. Nice. Fost, Pacioretty, and Taylor Hall. Whoa, there we go, see? Excuse me there, but yeah, you see, this is we need to fix this. Anyways, sorry for that, guys. Caught it just before it went into orbit. Okay, so Cal Talbot, Kreider, and Sod, and Chiafoli, and oh, nice, Nick Robertson hologram, gold hologram. Matisse Johnmark, Camano, it's a new one for me, Nick Camano, and Chris Wagner. Okay, so let's go with Hula, Eric Hula, Bobby Ryan, Borowski, and a young gun, Artem Zub. I got Connor Timmins, Nick Cousins, Sevier, and Jack Johnson. Okay, Hula again, with Bobby Ryan again, and Borowski again, but this time we got Victor Soderstrom Victory, Ultimate Victory Retro. And we got Giovanni Smith, Matthew Barzal, Derek Grant, and Tenav, who I hear is doing really well on Vegas these days. Okay, so now we got Matthew Tkachuk, Jordan Bennington, Cody Eakin, Galchenyuk, and David Pastrnak tribute. Nice. I was only expecting one of those today. Anthony Duclair, Nicholas Waugh, and Mark Giordano. Yeah, I thought in a retail box you only get like one of those tributes, but got a few good ones here today, including 2 Young Gun ones, which is sweet. Okay, so we got Mark Shafali, Kiefer Sherwood, Michael Delzato, Kulikov, and Joe Pavelski, Dazzler, Gold Dazzler, or Orange Dazzler, Brady Tkachuk, Nosek, and Pitch. Used to be a Leaf goalie. Only got to play a few games for the Leafs, so. David Riddick, how you pronounce it, I think. Okay. Nick Ritchie, who's on the Leafs. Josh Levo, who used to be with the Leafs. Pietrangelo, and a Young Gun of Mikhail Maltsev. Barkov Goodrow. Ube Kudel. I don't think I said that one right, but anyways. Kukkonen, and we have Mitch Marner. Okay, we're getting down to the bottom here. Within the next few weeks, we'll have this all set up properly. Lucas Wallmark, Zach Whitecloud, Tanner Kiro, and we got one of those McDavid's Ultimate Victory Retro. Okay, Craig Smith, Matthew Benning, Josh Brown, and Scott Mayfield. So far, this isn't so bad per box. Tim Stützle Tribute Retro there. Vasilevsky, Checklist, and Nate Schmidt, and Alexei Heponimi, Young Gun. Athasiou, Nolan Patrick, Anthony Duclair, and Shea Weber. Okay, Ryan Murray, Nick Bustad, Sherry, Braden Holtby, and Ilya Sorokin, Gold Hologram. Max Domi, Jake Allen, and Nico Hischier. Down to our last 2 or 3 packs here. And we got Hiroshi, Wayne Simmons, Comtois, Forbert, Nick Cousins, Xavier and Jack Johnson and Tristan Jerry base pack. At least I know they're not the French variation, because those are only in the hobby. This is a retail. This retail I picked up for 26 bucks US, which was basically a steal. But then again, the price of these are coming down. Cogliano, Gudis, Clutterbuck, Joey Decord, and Logan Couture Orange Dazzler, Paul Jarvie, Sigrikas, and Pierre-Luc Dubois. Three packs left. Okay. Kapanen, Connor McDavid, Torrey Krug, Dylan Gabriel, and a rookie class of Cal Foote, Tyler Mott, Cal Peterson, and Zadorov. Boy, it sounds a lot like I'm repeating a lot of these players and not getting a lot of, how would you say, different players in this box. But I'm getting some really good inserts. And we got Hurdle, Stefan, Andreas Johnson, Trevor Ramsveendrake, a checklist, Niederreiter, Brad Richardson, and David Perron. And last pack. And we got Elias Anderson. Okay. Michael Scarbosa, Jack Strudnicka, and a young gun of Alex Diorio. I think I got about two of that guy. Sprong, Stahl, and Lewis, and Janowski. And that's it for the 2021 extended series retail. What we'll do is we'll just go quickly over the inserts here. We got a Young Guns of Alex Diorio, we got Cal Foote rookie class, and a Logan Couture Dazzler, Ilya Sorokin hologram, Alexei Eponymini, don't know if I'm saying that right, an Ultimate Victory retro of McDavid and Mikhail Maltsev, and we got Joe Pavelski Dazzler, David Pasternak tribute, Victor Soderstrom tribute, Victory tribute, Young Gun of Artem Zub, Nick Robertson hologram, Cal McCarr tribute, Reflections of Quinn Hughes, probably the first Quinn Hughes card I got, Ansi Kopitar with the Ultimate Victory retro, Alex DeBrincat tribute, and we got Keandra Miller Ovation, Bowen Byron Young Guns tribute, Hayden Verbeek Young Guns, Tim Strutzel Young Guns tribute, and Tim Strutzel Ovation. That's it for this break. I'd like to remind everybody, they still have this pack here. It's waiting for when we get to 100 subscribers. Then we're going to have our first contest, and it should be fun. In the meantime, our sale at Scruffybear.ca is finished, so everything is back to normal. As well as I hope everybody has a happy new year. Things are going to get better, I hope, as far as COVID goes and that. We can only keep our fingers crossed. Take the necessary precautions and you'll be safe. Okay, so that's it for today. And we'll see you next week. Maybe a mail we'll have our first male one next week. Bye now.